I'm Mike Bertolini. I'm with the St. Louis City Traffic Division, and I am an engineer technician too. It gives me the ability to work outside the box and come up with creative solutions that work. If I don't do my job right, you're sitting in gridlock. You're trying to cross the streets in front of moving vehicles, and you are not happy. I'm Mike Bertolini. I am an engineer technician for the City of St. Louis Traffic Division. My job is to coordinate, maintain, design, implement, and ensure safe traffic through the City of St. Louis. In this city, we have well over 530 traffic signals, 52,000 street lights, and a couple of hundred miles of pavement out there to maintain. My work affects drivers in giving you the ability to travel through signalized intersections in a coordinated fashion, which means you get your green when you need your green. What I do is important because it allows for the safe passage of traffic and pedestrians in the City of St. Louis. If I don't do my job effectively, the consequences are you are not happy. The city would be gridlocked without any traffic signals. We would have accidents everywhere. We would have chaos. Well, this is where it all started years ago, at least 20 or 30 years ago. It all started with dials like this one. This is a timer for an old traffic signal. The dial would spin and close these little points and change the indications that you saw out in the field. Years ago, this is what it used to look like. This back panel was how we wired our traffic signals. We'd wire this into a configuration and you would see different indications in the field also. Engineers would have to go out to the controller to change timing with these switches and these keys. When something would go wrong, our technicians would come in and test their equipment on this old antique board here. They would take things like this flasher and plug it in and test it, see what was wrong with it, repair it, and put it back out in the field. Very time consuming. We keep this stuff around as a reminder to how far we've come in all of these years. Okay, this is a traffic control cabinet. We're at the corner of Vandevenner and Forest Park Parkway. I'm sure you've always wondered what's inside these silver boxes. Well, this is what controls the indications that you follow as drivers in the City of St. Louis. What we have in here, this is a traffic signal controller. It is a timer. It allows us to coordinate traffic and give specific amounts of time to each direction of traffic. We have load switches that control the indications that you see as the public. We have a communications network in here that allows us to monitor the intersection both with video and through computers. We have a vehicle detection system in here. This vehicle detection system allows the traffic signals to give a specific amount of time for each direction based on the amount of volume, based on how many cars there are out here. Our equipment is a fiber optic interconnected system. Our fiber optic network is spliced together here in this tray. We have several different types of fiber. It is a very time-consuming, state-of-the-art network system. This is the backbone of our system. And this is just one of over 500 traffic controllers within the City of St. Louis. This is the new City of St. Louis Traffic Operations Center. Today, in modern days, we control our traffic signals from this console. We're able to change our timing plans via computer and download the timing plans through our fiber optic network out to the traffic controllers. The engineers do not have to go out to the field. We can make changes right on the fly here, monitor those changes in these different windows, watch the plan work on an animation graphic, and then finally observe the intersections on video. I love my job because it's rewarding. I get to see instantly when I'm doing a good job out there. I get to watch you folks efficiently run through the city in your cars. The most rewarding thing I've done in the City of St. Louis is create this traffic operations center for the city. At the end of my career, I'll be able to leave a legacy behind of this traffic center and the fact that your money has been spent. wisely. I love what I do for the City of St. Louis.